Jain sir, I am CQMS Geetu Mohan. So I am going to introduce the history of NCC. The NCC is considered as successor of University Corps which was established under the Defense Act of 1917. The aim was to fill the vacancies in army and to develop the discipline and national consciousness among the students. After the Indian Territory Act in 1920, the University Corps was replaced with University Training Corps. Its aim was to attract more youth. In 1942, the British government launched the University Officers Training Camp. This was the great help to Britain during Second World War. NCC introduced new reforms in 1948 and maintained the university training camps in the country. A committee held by Pandit H.N. Kunsru recommended a cadet organization to be established in schools and colleges at the national level. NCC Air Force Wing was started in 1915 and Navy Wing started in 1952. NCC cadets played a major role in Indo-Pak War of 1965 and 1971. 17 directorates and 814 units divided to three groups of Army, Navy and Air Force. Many social services are connected by NCC to increase social awareness in cadets.
Jain Saab, I am CSM Parthiv Biju. We will be discussing about history of NCC song. NCC song is mostly based upon motto of NCC, unity and discipline, and also diversity in India. The desirability of composing NCC song was considered in the Circle Commanders on conference held in January 1956, and all circles were asked to send their proposals. The official song of NCC, Kadam Milke Chal, was adopted in 1963 and registered in 1969 with the approval of the Ministry of Defense. In 1974, it was felt that the NCC song had failed to catch the imagination of the youth and there was a need for a change. A sustained process began. Entries were invited from directorates for suitable lyrics. On the suggestion of Dr. Nagendra, who was the judge, the task was entrusted to Sri Chiranjit, the chief producer, Drama Vision, Delhi. In 1976, the song written by Sri Chiranjit was approved. This song was success. Later on, this song was played in Republic Day camp. In 1982, this song was recorded in the present form in Western Outdoor Studio, Delhi.
वन्दे मातरं सुजला शुभला मलयज शीतला
हम सब